Welcome back, guys. My name is Chuks, and today we are going to be making Nigerian fish roll. We are not going to be frying it, we are going to be baking it. So tag along. After I'm done baking, I'm going to be feeding it to my family members, and one after the other, they'll be giving me their rating from 1 to 10, 10 being the best. And at the end of the day, we're gonna tally all that point and see if we can get at least 20 to 30 points. So join me, let's go bake some fish roll. To get the party started, I'm gonna be using my nut cubes, salt, Lucky Star pure shad, my mixed vegetable, because we're gonna add some flavor to it. Last but not the least, my curry. This is everything we'll be using to make the fillings of this. So the reason why I'm using this Lucky Star pure shad is I couldn't find normal fish. All I could see there was hake, and you already know you can't use hake. So I said, let me go buy some sardines, rinse it off, and see if I will get the same taste. I'm putting all my trust in this, hoping that I'll get a better taste out of this once I'm done rinsing it, because they said pure shad in hot chili sauce. I don't like pepper, but I just need that taste and I need that kick. So let's open this, rinse it off, and then shred the meat, and then we start cooking the fillings. We are going to leave this in low heat for 5 minutes. After a minute, I'll give it a little turn. And after that, I'll add a pinch of salt and my Maggi cube. Okay, now that we are done with the mixed vegetable, it's time I add my sardine. Another pinch of salt. Then our curry. We need to be generous on the curry, guys. Okay, then gentle mix. Let's taste. With the taste of this, I think I'm still gonna retain my title of the best chef. Now that we are done with the filling, we're just gonna turn everything off, set it aside to cool down, and then we're gonna start making the dough. For the dough, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this will come in handy. Some salt, sugar, we add our egg, 1 spoon of baking powder, or margarine, some warm water, guys. No, first of all, let's mix this together. You need to get this dough in a flaky form. You know those breadcrumbs? You need to get it like that. And then once you get that, as you can see, you've gotten it. It looks like a sand, it looks like a flake, it looks like breadcrumbs. Whichever way you want to, whichever name you want to give it, you can give it. Once you get that consistency, you're adding your warm water. I like to make a hole at the center, and then in goes our warm water. Yes, you have to be very careful when doing this. Just add little, mix together, then add some water. Because if you go and pour water, your dough is gonna be messed up. Your dough is gonna be very soft. We need it soft, yes, but not very soft. So in little by little, add in some water and make sure that you knead as you pour in the water. So for this one, I'm using warm water. You can use warm milk if you want. We have our egg wash. First things first, guys, before we start, we need to grease the pan. Okay guys, so here it is with the egg wash. I'm just gonna add some whole to it. Did I let you guys know that this is actually my first time of making fish roll? They said never judge a book by its cover. And this fish roll that I made, I don't know. If I'm reacting to this video, I'm gonna say this is ass. But I'm gonna taste it and I'm gonna tell my family to taste it and they're gonna tell me if it's buzzing or if it's not. Remember, we're gonna let it cool down because it's still very hot. It's fresh out of the oven. Right now, my family is standing right next to me. Out of this plate, they'll be taking one after the other and then they'll be rating it from 1 to 10. Guys, our aim is to get from 20 and above. Okay, the first person, my uncle's wife, is going to take. Okay, go, take one. Take a bite and tell me what you rate it from 1 to 10.
Your first time?
Yeah, my first time of making fish roll.
8.
Okay, guys. 8 out of 10. Okay. My cousin, Jidenna. Okay, what are you going to rate it?
8.5.
Okay, guys, 8.5. There you have it. Last but not least, Zikora. Okay, what are you going to rate it from 1 to 10?
5.1.
Jesus Christ. Guys, imagine, out of everybody, his older brother gave me 8.5. His mom gave me an 8. That's to show you guys that I need to up my game. His taste bud is out of the world. So guys, 8.5, 8, that's 16.5. Plus 5, that's 21.5. Remember from the start of this video, I said if I can get from 20 and above, that means I'm still going to retain my title. The total of all the points that they've given me is 21.5. So I still retain my chef's title. So guys,